Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today I'll be sharing with you guys some of the things that I was able to pick up on Walmart.com. Thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. So I have a few stocking stuffers, and then I have two giveaways that I'm going to be doing for you guys. Okay, so the first item that I found on Walmart.com is the 4K digital camera. This camera has been viral for quite some time. I've heard really great things about it. I know nowadays a lot of people are wanting to become content creators, influencers. This would be a great starter camera. It's very affordable, not that expensive. So I am going to be gifting this to one of you guys. So it is a 4K Ultra HD camera. It has autofocus, the flash lamp. And like I always tell y'all, if y'all wanted to start that, you don't have to go out and just purchase like the most expensive camera, even though Walmart.com does have, you know, the big boys on their website. But you can start with something like this just to get a feel for everything, see if you like it, see if you like, you know, being on camera or to practice. This could be your practice camera, or if you're not into content creation and you just want to have a camera to film your family, film yourself, whatever. I thought that this would be a great gift. So I'm gonna just open the box just so you guys can see it, and it'll actually be my first time seeing it in person as well. But I am just curious to see how this camera looks in person. Okay, here we go. Oh, this looks nice. So this is how the camera looks in person. Just says 4K. It does have the flip out screen on the side, so you can make sure that you're in focus and all of the things. So we love that. And then this little box right here just says accessories. Everything that you need is in the accessory box, so you are all set. I just wanted to see it because, girl, I'm nosy and I want to see exactly what this camera is offering. But again, I've heard a lot of great things about this camera. So to my subscriber that receives this camera, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, next up, and I bought a few of these. The other ones will be delivered today. You can do express shipping and get your items within an hour if it's available to you in your area. So I did order a few different fragrances, and I'll also link some other things that I found on Walmart.com that I think would make good stocking stuffers, good gifts, just to help you guys out. Sometimes it could be a little tricky to order things for people. So I have some other things that won't be shown here in the description box. I got you, girl. So I've talked to you guys about this several times before. This is how I fell in love with Valentino. This is the Valentino Born in Roma. This is the men's fragrance. It's the 3.4 ounce. This is also one of my son's favorite fragrances, so this will be a stocking stuffer for him, along with the YSL Y. They have that one on Walmart.com. That one should be here today. Fragrances are always a great stocking stuffer if you have anybody in your family that is trying to grow their perfume cologne collection, or they just ran out of their favorite perfume / cologne. These are great stocking stuffers. So, and then this game is really popular right now, so I was able to snag the PS5 Madden 25. Of course, this is for my son. I'm not too sure if this will fit in the stocking, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so I think that he would love this. My son does love to be on his game, and y'all also know that he does play football for his school, so he'll be very happy to add this to his collection. Next up is another gift for one of you guys, and it is a LED projector. I'll pop up the picture right here so you guys can see how it looks. I talk about my projector all the time because I just feel like it's just such a cool thing to have. It spices up movie night for, you know, you and your loved ones, your family. If you're having a movie night with just the kids, you could do it in your backyard. You could do it inside. It's so nice, y'all. It's so nice. So I chose this one for one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. But I'm so happy to gift this because y'all know I love my projector. We use it all the time. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi. You can watch Netflix. You can watch all the things on it, movies, whatever. I just love the projector. I feel like every family should have a projector. It's a lot of fun to have. So I wanted to gift this to one of you guys. So hopefully you love yours just as much as I love mine. So the next thing that I picked up is this Crosley record player. I used to get a lot of questions about mine. I love this. This is one that I would really like. I love the color. It's like a brown wood. Y'all know that I love wood detail. And I got this gift for someone. I've heard them mention a couple of times that they wanted a record player. I think the person that I am gifting this to will be very happy with it, and I'm so excited for them to get it. But look how pretty it is. Look at the wood detail and then the tan material on the front. I think this is really nice. The top is see-through. Love this. I actually want to get the same one for myself because it just fits my vibe. Like, I really like this. This looks really nice. And to go along with the record player, I picked up their first vinyl, which will be Lady Gaga. The person that I'm gifting this to loves Lady Gaga, and I know for a fact that the Fame album was one of their favorites, so I picked this up. I was so happy when I saw this. Now they have so many different records on there to choose from, so I really didn't know which one I wanted to grab. So I said, okay, well, I'll just go with like one that I really know that they love. And they played a lot when this was popular. So I went with this one. They have a very large selection on Walmart.com. If you guys are trying to start your vinyl collection for yourself or for someone else, Walmart.com has you covered, okay? So that is pretty much everything that I picked up. Like I said, I have another box of cologne that's on the way, and that is the YSL, which I have told y'all the YSL Y. That is like one of my favorite men fragrances. I've told y'all about that years ago when I did cologne favorites for men, and that was included, and this one was also included, and it just so happened to be my son's favorite. So stocking stuffers for him. Before we go, I'm going to announce the winner for the gifts. I have them on my phone. With YouTube, if we go to our studio, we can see our top commenters, people that leave comments all the time, your most active follower, and things like that. So I picked 2 people, and let me give you those names. So the first person is going to be Johnny Meeks. I'll put her picture across the screen. Thank you so much for your support, and I will be gifting you the projector for you and your family to enjoy. I hope you enjoy it. Just DM me and give me all of your mailing information, and I'll send this out to you as soon as possible. And the second person will be _IAMJasmine. So thank you, Jasmine, for supporting the channel, and I will be gifting you the digital 4K camera. I hope you enjoy it, whatever you decide to do with it. I hope you enjoy it. DM me on Instagram with your mailing information, and I'll send it out to you as soon as possible. So that is it for today's video. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in 2025. Bye.